So it took 2 hands just to break it loose. But they want you to spin this locking ring all the way to the top. Now. And then you'll measure between this ring and the bottom of this ring here to adjust that preload, especially with one hand. But you'll tighten it this way to make it stiffer and the other way to make it looser. But we're going to go off of the measurements they told us, so let me look and see what that is, and we'll get this adjusted. So they measure this in millimeters, and we're going to measure, I don't know if you can see it, we're going to measure from here to the top of the adjuster ring. Right now we're at about 19 millimeters or so. I ride 2 up a good bit, so I'm going to go a little bit further than what my rider weight is. But since I don't ride 2 up all the time, I'm not going to go to the total weight or measurement that it recommends for rider and passenger. Right at 21 now. It's about 23. Now I've got it set about where I want to try it. We will spin this locking ring back down. I've got it adjusted about where I want to. Now we will have to go ride it, see how we like it, see if we need to make any other adjustments. If it's a fine adjustment, we can turn the knob on the other side to get us dialed in exactly where we want to be, but this should have us pretty close. Let's see.